Imagine it's your cat's birthday, it's turning 10 and you need to design an invitation for its birthday party, but you suck at Photoshop. What if I told you that from now on you don't need to learn how to use stuff like the lasso tool, layer masks or blend mode, because image editing will never be the same again. Thanks to Nano Banana you can now do anything with any image by just using words. You can reimagine interiors or exteriors. You can put your product into different settings, turn your drawings into realistic photos, merge images, change the background, change the clothing, the hairstyle and the facial expression. You can highlight an object in a landscape, show the same thing from different perspectives, put yourself next to someone else, change the time of day in any photo, and create an Instagram grid based on any aesthetic. As you can see, this is an enormous game changer, and I could have made this video like 2-3 weeks earlier, but I've been so busy with my podcast channel that I kept postponing it. On the positive side though, I have gathered quite some examples and use cases, and I hope this video will be helpful and or inspiring to some of you. Hello and welcome to my channel. I usually don't review individual tools on this channel, but for Nano Banana I just had to make an exception. In this video we're gonna go through some use cases so you have an overview of what you can do with Google's new AI image generator, which I think will render Photoshop useless eventually. If you like this type of stuff or want to see AI in action more often, make sure to subscribe. And if you're feeling particularly generous today, please click the like button to let the algorithm know that this video is good and to let me know that I should keep going. Nano Banana was released in August 2025 and it's free to use inside the Gemini app. All you need to do is toggle create images in the tools menu and you're good to go. The term Nano Banana was an internal name at first, but then I think folks at Google decided to keep it, as people in AI circles kept calling it Nano Banana instead of Gemini 2.5 Flash image, which is arguably a more boring name. With Nano Banana you can create, modify and blend images just by talking to it. It's fast, it's free, and the world has never seen anything like this so far. One of the most important things for specifically AI creators is that now their character consistency problem is pretty much solved. In fact, I'm seeing pretty incredible stuff out there. Let me show you a few examples. Another interesting area where Nano Banana shines is architecture and interior design. For example, you can take a picture of an unrenovated room and make it look furnished, and then rearrange the furniture. You can also set the room on fire, flood it with water, or place people inside it. You can reimagine gardens and add any objects to any buildings as well, which can be very useful if you're planning to change anything around your house. Another intriguing use case is product photography. This is gonna be especially valuable to marketers and social media people, but also generally to anyone who sells any product of any kind. For example, if you're making jewelry, you can effortlessly put your new seashell necklace onto any model and generate as many variations as you want, and then just flood Instagram with the images. You can also put the name of your business onto anything. All you need to do is to have a good idea, otherwise the sky is the limit. What probably also needs to be said is that with this new tech we will likely get a surge in deepfakes. But if those are generated with Gemini, they will have two kinds of watermarks on them. The visible one in the corner and an invisible one. Although this should be easy to circumvent for anyone with just a tiny bit of image editing skills. So far, Nano Banana seems to recognize public figures and oftentimes refuses to generate the image, which I think makes sense, even though it's a very basic restriction. Okay, so there's that. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click the like button and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next videos. And if you have anything to say, please go ahead and leave a comment, even if you need to rant about AI. I would also welcome any suggestions about what I should cover next, so yeah, share your thoughts. below, don't be shy, and I'll see you in one of my next videos. Have a beautiful day, take care, and bye bye.